Hello, today I have a quick but super helpful video on the Beko Tumble dryer. I will show you how to use the key and child lock function so the children cannot accidentally switch on the tumble dryer. This will be helpful whenever you want to prevent curious kids from playing with your dryer, or if you just need to know how to unlock dryer. To activate the key and child lock, first make sure your tumble dryer is turned on and a program is selected. Press the sound notification button and the end duration button at the same time for 3 seconds. When you see CL on, that means the child lock is activated. All buttons except for the on-off button are deactivated, so you can easily turn off the dryer. To deactivate the child lock, press the same buttons for 3 seconds again, and you will be able to start using your Beko tumble dryer as normal.